Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So I'm jumping in real quick, you guys. I'm getting ready for work, but I am so anxious to open this package. We got some MAC products. It's been a while. All right, if you'd like to see what we have in this box, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
All right, guys, let's go ahead and dig in and see what we have here. It's been a while. It's been years since I've purchased some things from MAC, but I still get the pro discount, so I thought, why not? I need a few things. So beautiful packaging. All right, let's open and see what we got here. Everything is packed really nice. Plenty of tissue to safeguard what's inside. Here we are. All right, so let's go through these products really fast. Starting off with the sample. I used to use these all the time. I have a sample of the strobe cream, and I don't know what color this is. It's pink light. All right, so we have pink light. Next thing I have is Pro Paint Pot, and this color is Laying Low. So the paint pots, I used these years ago, right? They're really great for eyeshadow base. Perfect, right? I have been seeing Savannah use the paint pots like for her smile lines. I thought, let me give that a try. You know, if you can use a product for more than one thing, definitely give it a try. But I'm gonna try it. I'm not as much concerned with like my smile lines, but I do want to give it a try for my under eye wrinkles. So I'll be using this for eyeshadow primer and for my under eye. And I have a chroma line here. I don't do liner that much, but I do remember that this product is just really smooth, really easy to use to do a liner. So I got some of that. Really dark black, so definitely stay tuned. This is also good to lay down, like if you want a really dark smoky eye. This is good. And I have, what is this? So definitely, all right, and then I have a PowerPoint eyeliner, and looked like this was part of some kind of a collection, or maybe around the holiday, but it is a like cream liner. I like putting like cream liner in my waterline sometimes, so this is why I have this. Also a good base, like when I like to highlight my inner corner. Just a really soft, beautiful liner. You can see you see right there on my hand. So we will be giving that a whirl as well. And then I have an eye kohl, and this color is Power Surge. Power Surge. Tip of it looks kind of dark. Looks like a bronze color. Let's put that next to that. Not the color I was thinking it was, but we will give that a whirl as well. These are good for also eyeliner. You can even use this as an eyeshadow base because, you know, the colors, the liner is just so really smooth and creamy. You can definitely lay that down as a base. I'm just reaching in, you guys. Next I have, actually, I know I had mentioned a couple times that I had been looking for some new mascaras. Well, I hopped on MAC's website and they had these on sale. So I'm going to give this Magic Extension a try. Magic Extension. This is really weird, guys. There was another one that was like this, but they actually wrapped it in some kind of wrapping. Like, I don't know why they did that. Make it look more special. But because they're doing that, it's not closing. Really, I love the MAC has always had like beautiful packaging and, you know, details on the packaging. MAC Magic Extension. And there's the brush. I love a good mascara. Look at the wand there. You can see the detail in the brush. Like having a detailed brush like this, like you can get down to root to tip. I really try my best to get down to the root of my lash, especially, you know, when you're wearing eyeliner, when you're wearing eyeshadow, that product falls down. I just don't like when you can see that shadow on the lashes. So I'm excited to try that, and I did get 2 because they were a very good deal. So I got 2 of those, and I was able to pick up a Black Panther item, which I'm really excited about. I'm actually having Black Panther night here at my home. We're gonna put up the projector, put up my big screen, and just have a movie night and make some nachos. So I'm really excited about that, but let's see what's inside. The color here is Thicker Than Water, and this is, what is this? It is a lip color, Thicker Than Water. Really pretty. Purplish plum color, really pretty. I think it's more of like a satin. No, I can do a satin. I just, not very often do I do lip gloss. I want to put a lippy on and let it stay. All right, the next one I have is the Retro Matte. Guys, I love the Retro Mattes. I actually just ran out of this color. This is one of the other reasons why I hopped onto MAC's website, so I can re-up on this color because I absolutely love me some high drama. Another dark, beautiful lippy. Love that as well. And because I wanted to try another nude, this one also is a Retro Matte. This color is Burnt Spice. I tried to go back and try to like remember some of the colors I used to love to wear when I was at MAC, and this was one of them. It's more on the lighter side. This one I'll probably take to my office for my clients because you guys know I have a nude lip that I love. And because I had been looking for some eyebrow tint, I actually picked up a couple colors. So this one is Eyebrows Fiber Gel. I showed you guys some videos back on one of the colors that I was using, which was, I think it was Strut that I used on my brows. So this is from that same collection, and this color is Fling. Definitely will be using that. And then here is another color. This one is called Stylized. I think Fling might be the lightest color in that collection, and this one's just like a dusty gray. Dusty gray color, fiber gel. I will probably do a video on these two just so we can check out those colors. And then the last item I have is another Retro Matte, and this color is Feel So Grand. Looks like a reddish orange by this color swatch here on the box. Beautiful red. I think I'm in the red mood, so I'm going to end my video with putting this red on. But I'm gonna hop off and do my hair real quick because I am headed to work. So let me do my hair and then we'll come back with it. All right guys, so I am back. My hair is like kind of unruly. Here we are. So here is the lippy. So on camera, it really gives like a reddish orange kind of color. Let me know what you guys see on your end, but it's really reddish blue, which is, you know, there's lots of reds out there that are really beautiful, but blue undertone reds really make your teeth look really white. So if this is something you're interested in or want, so the blue base reds really make your teeth look really, really white. Really beautiful red. So if you're looking for a beautiful red for Valentine's Day, here you go. Feel So Grand. Feel So Grand is a great option. So definitely I will have a link to this featured item. All right, guys, so that is it for my MAC haul. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow your girl on Instagram and TikTok at LRH Makeup, and my second handle on TikTok, which is _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications, that way you'll be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye. Mwah.